Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the radiator in your Ford F-150. First, gather all your tools, including a suitable drain pan and a socket set. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your truck's battery before proceeding. This crucial first step prepares your vehicle for a smooth and safe radiator replacement process. Now, position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator's petcock valve to catch all the old coolant. Carefully open the petcock valve and allow the system to drain completely. This might take several minutes. Once drained, use a pair of pliers to loosen the clamps on both the upper and lower radiator hoses, then carefully remove them. Be prepared for any residual coolant that might spill. With the hoses disconnected, you can now remove the fan shroud, which is usually held by a few bolts or clips. After the shroud is out, unbolt the radiator from its mounting points. Carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Now, gently lower your new radiator into place, ensuring it sits correctly on its mounts. Secure all the mounting bolts firmly. Finally, reconnect all the radiator hoses, ensuring the clamps are tight, and reattach the fan shroud. Slowly refill the radiator with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, allowing air to escape as you pour. Start the engine, let it warm up, and check for any leaks. Top off the coolant as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your freshly cooled Ford F-150.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.